Hi lovelies, welcome to my vlogmas. Let's go shopping for Christmas ornaments. As I was browsing, I just found a couple of handmade Christmas presents. Yeah, so I've got a few of the Christmas items that I wanted, and I'm going to go back to B&M and see what they have there. Yep, so back in the range. Even I'm thinking whether to get these garlands. Oh my goodness. What do you think of these? I was just walking by and I noticed some bows. Let's check them out and see if they're kind of, they're nice, yeah. Sorry. Now this could go outside, my outside decoration. Hopefully they're waterproof. And this bow would be really cute for the doors. Looks like we have to come back here again as well and just see if we can get this velvety pink peach bulbs. So let's check here. Haven't found any red velvet bows either for outside, that is for the door, because those ones are not waterproof. I guess they wouldn't be waterproof if it's velvet. So yes, I'm just trying my luck, to be honest. I can't remember what I saw in here. Yeah, but just checking in case I see something again. Especially the velvet. So I can't even risk buying another wreath because I have to wait for the one from Amazon. Yeah, so I was looking for something peachy, velvety, peach or pink or in the middle. Just there's lots of pink here, but I've already got all these, and it's going to go on the tree. Also, I'm not really sure it will be enough, now that I'm thinking about it. I might have to buy this bucket. Yeah, it's good I came back here, because I really think I should get this bucket to mix with the big bulbs, even though I couldn't find what I was looking for, so it will have to do for now. Yeah, then let's start making the tree up and the gallons and everything, wait for the wreath and just see what is missing and come back out again. We've still got a lot of time. We've got this weekend and next week as well, so yeah. Yes, but we want the tree up today. Yeah, so let's go home. Back home now, and we're gonna start unpacking what we got. Then we're gonna start on the Christmas tree. So I'm trying something new where I'm gonna do like a little group and then put them on the tree just to see how it looks like. I'm not sure it will look nice, but we shall find out. So this is my color theme this year. So I'm gonna put one of these in there, one of that. No. Do the small ones. Actually, I was meant to use pink, but I think they're in there, so I'm just gonna mix, to be honest. So I'm adding a bit of gold. I just thought that, yeah, I don't know, it just gave it a little zhuzh. So adding that in there, mixing, and also the textures I think would be a good idea to mix the textures. Yeah, textures and patterns. So you've got this, you've got that, you've got that, shinies, red, you know, and all that. Then add one of those. So they're just different shades of pink and a bit of gold here. So like rose, gold, and pink. Put them together into that. Sorry, I keep looking the wrong place. Look into that. I should be looking into there. But this is how it should look like. Something like that. A group. So that was a lot of work. There's a point where I ran out of bulbs because I'm going with this theme. So I have other bulbs. I did some more down there. I think it looks okay now. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of the new theme, new design. By the way, I got some new lights which will save us looking for, you know, a position where I can put the Christmas tree next to a electricity source. So I saw this online and I thought, let me get it and see if it works. Let's see if it will work. So apparently they come with these, which is amazing. Whoever came up with this idea should be blessed. This is just amazing. Watch this. Yeah. Okay. That. And you can play around with the different modes. So you can play around with the different modes, as you can see. That's amazing. And it uses battery, so you don't need to connect it to the mains. Yeah, it looks like probably my tree is quite full of a lot of things going on, but it's just for fun and it's for the video. But let me know what you think. It's similar color theme as last year, but maybe last year was peachy but different. Yeah, I think definitely go back to my video for 2024 Christmas and watch that. I think it's amazing. You're going to really love it because I kind of broke the Christmas rules and used something really different to decorate the tree. So, but this time I stuck to the bulbs, but maybe similar theme, color, just more pink than it was peach. So let me know what you think of the previous Christmas tree compared to this one. And yes, and share with me what you're doing with your Christmas tree as well. So that's the tree with the topper, and then I'm going to move it to the window there, and then I'm going to show you how it looks from outside with everything put together. So there's more coming up.
Hearts are